Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. This week's Canva Quick Tip is looking at styles. And styles is a really useful button that lets you experiment with different colors and fonts and test out different combinations. This is absolutely great if you're a starter and just learning to be your own graphic designer, because it really helps you get a view for what works together and what doesn't, and can change how you design and could even change your brand colors if you wanted. So let's go to my computer and we'll see how it works. We're now on my Canva screen and I've pulled up an Instagram post, and I'm just going to use one of the templates that are here on Canva. You can see I've already played with a few. There's some really great templates in the Canva library. They've been designed by professional designers, so they will give your designs an edge and a degree of sophistication that's quite difficult to achieve. I'm going to use this one, which is really quite a fun quote by Mae West. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. And now I'm going to go down on the left-hand side, the Styles button here, and I'm going to click on that. And first of all, it brings up my own brand colors. I could quickly change and click on these, and you can see it's instantly changed it to my brand colors. It's very easy to do. Now you can see it says shuffle. And this shuffle means that it will just reorganize the colors for you. You can see it's now going through all my different colors and how different the post looks depending on what color that I use. So that's with my own. But then we can go and play with Canva's options. So here you have color palettes, and we'll see all of them. There are loads to choose from. This is similar to my own color palette, but it still looks quite different. And again, you've got that shuffle icon. You can see it spinning around, and you can again make it look very different. And it's just so easy to use. These ones are quite bright and fun as well. You can see the colors I naturally gravitate towards. You can make the template unique to yours very quickly. Fantastic for your social media. Let's come out of the color palettes. And then you have two other areas. You have font sets and you have combinations. We're going to look under all the font sets. We'll go for see all. Again, I can just click on it and instantly my fonts will change. So it's so easy to change the style with this. Now let's go back from font sets and look at the combinations. And these are combinations of colors and fonts. Try this one because it's quite different from what I have at the moment. You can see it's now gone to these orangey, muted, khaki type tones. If I shuffle it, again, it goes through different color options with the new font as well. Hammersmith, much more classic type look. More black and white and greys. I like that color combination. And they're very easy just to experiment with. You can just keep clicking through and changing the colors that you want. And I said, then do your shuffle. And you can decide which color element you'd like to dominate. That's the Styles button. And I hope you found it useful. It's really helpful if you need some inspiration for a look or a feel, or you're trying to change something and do something differently. You could match it in your Instagram palette with the different colors in a checkerboard effect, which would look quite stunning by using these and just shuffling them through. That's all for this week. I hope it helps.